Hi and welcome to our tutorial today. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make templates, how to design templates on Canva for birthdays, business, brochures, baby showers, thank you, and any other design that you can design on Canva and sell on Etsy. Canva is an online website where you can simply design anything that you need. And the good thing with Canva is that it does not require a lot of professional skills. It uses customizable templates and is very user-friendly. Now, before you design, you will need to do some research so that you can know what is trending and what is marketable. This will ensure that you only design what sells, you only design what is on demand. So let's now go to the process of designing. So you simply go to the website canva.com. The homepage is very user-friendly. You can type here on the search box the template that you would need to do or to search on, and this will give you an idea of the styles and the designs that are there. For instance, let me type wedding. You can see after searching for wedding templates, here they are. And they are in their hundreds. So by looking at this, you will get an idea such that if you wanted to design a wedding invitation template, you will have an idea of what is used, what is selling, and of course, the design dimensions for each template that you need. So this is what we are going to be making. We shall make our own template like this, and we are going to do this from scratch. So you simply click back to home, and then you come here and click on create design, and then you click on custom size. Now, if you did your research, you will have an idea of the width and the height and the pixels for the design that you want. But another easier way, you can simply go to etsy.com and search for what you need. Like here, I already searched for wedding invitation template, and here are the templates. So you click on one so that you can get the dimensions. I'll click on this one that is selling for $11 US, Livia and Henry wedding. So you come to the right hand side and you click on the details, get the details, and here they are. You notice that the size here is 4.6 by 7.2. Those are the dimensions. You can look for any other size. This is not the only size you can design, but for now, this gives you an idea of the design size. So we go back home to Canva, and now we can create our own. We can either do the same for 4.6 by 7.2, but we can also do our own style. So Canva opens this for you. You can see here we have our plain template. In case you have never used the Canva before, quickly, these are the home features that you are going to be using. We have the design. If you click on design, it opens quite a number of designs. Here they are. Gives you an idea of the designs that you want, but remember, we want to create ours from scratch. If you want to add any images or elements to your card, you click on elements, and as you can see, we have so many of them and they are nicely grouped. We have lines and shapes, we have graphics, we have stickers, we have photos, we have videos, and of course we have audio and charts and tables. There are so many up to the end. You can also use the brand hub, but that one is only open for Canva Pro subscription. Another feature we can look at is the text. This one will help you to add text to your Canva. Then, and as you can see, we have so many templates already made which are so editable. So let's assume we want to create a wedding card template. So you simply come and click on elements. Then you can search for any image that you think would fit a wedding. For instance, I believe flowers would be there for a wedding card. So you simply type on flowers and you can see you have even a choice of the colors. So let us choose pink flowers. Here they are. So we have the graphics and we have the photos and we have the videos. So you can choose either of them. So let's choose photos. So I'll choose the second one. And you see, now we have our flower. To resize the flower, you simply click at the edges and you reduce that to the size that you feel is okay for you. Another feature on this Canva, let's enlarge this first so that we can explain the feature, is that you can reduce the opacity of the images. So I want this flower to be my background. So I simply come and click on transparency and then reduce that. And as you notice, the flower fades. Maybe up to that extent so that we don't have a very plain background. Then another thing that I believe would be for a wedding, I can even simply click wedding so that I get as many features as possible or as many graphics as possible that could be there for a wedding. There we have them. So I can see we have graphics for a ring, we have graphics for a couple, and there are so many. I can click on see all. So let me choose one. I'll choose this couple. And there it is. So I can place it where I need it. Maybe I can place it there. And then I can add some other graphics, maybe for the wedding. I have enough to select from. That's how you add graphics. You can rotate them. Let's look at another feature. Let's say we want to add some text here. You simply come and click on text, and then you can choose from the templates provided, and as we say, they are all editable. So let's choose this. There it is. So we can now edit this to fit what we need. Then we can edit it. Maybe it is on. Then you can add anything else that you feel would fit. You can upload a file that you feel is necessary. Maybe you have a logo, you have something that is simply specific to you. You can simply come and click on upload files. Then you can choose where your file is. There we have it. So after uploading, you simply click on your image. There it is. You can now reduce it to the size that you need. Let me place it at the farthest corner. This is especially good if you are designing business cards where you need to use your specific logo that may not be available on Canva. Assuming you are now satisfied with your design, you are now going to click on share. Then you click on template link and you're going to get a Canva link here. You simply click on copy. You need to share this using a hyperlink. That's the best way to share it. And you need to share it maybe as an editable PDF. So what you do is you simply come back to Canva and click home, and on the search button you can type download PDF, and it takes you to another page where you have templates. So what you can do with these templates, you simply click on any and you edit that to fit your style. Remember, this will be my template for the what the client will see before or as the cover of my template that we have already designed. So I can edit this and maybe write wedding, a nice wedding card. Then on this other text we can now write click here, click here, Now with the click here selected, you come at the top here. So you click on share, then you click on view only link. And there you have the link that has already been pasted. So you can now paste or change this link to the one that you already copied for your own template. So there we have it, and it's copied. So it means now that once we save this, once your client clicks on this link, it takes them directly to the link of the template that you have already designed. So that is how you do this. So once you do that, you can now click on share and publish anywhere, whatever you have already share and publish anywhere, and then you'll be having that link now embedded on your template. Simply, that is how you design your templates on Canva to sell on Etsy. So I hope this helped. Have a nice day.